Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to compare JBL Tune 520BT with JBL Tune 510BT, and I'm going to compare the specs of it. So let's look here. Now the weight is better for JBL Tune 520BT up to like 3 grams. The battery life is also better for the JBL Tune 520BT. You're gonna have more 17 hours here. Then you're gonna have the quick charge is also better for JBL Tune. Then the driver size is a little bit better too. Bluetooth version is also better for JBL Tune. You're gonna have 5.3 to 5. Then you're gonna have both. Sound technology is the same. Multi-point connection is the same. So it's like normal. Then you're gonna have more features for the JBL Tune 520BT, and the JBL Tune 520BT is potentially even cheaper. It really depends like where you buy it and what's location. Like the price is going to be similar, but here based on the weight, battery life, quick charge, driver size, Bluetooth version, sound technology, multi-point connection, additional features, the JBL Tune 520BT is better comparing to JBL Tune 510BT. So I just wanted to make this quick comparison for you if you're deciding between both of these products, like which one is actually better, and that's pretty much it. So let me down below in the comments which one you decided for, and thank you, have a great day, and goodbye.